Every June, we host a week-long summer nursing camp here at Columbia College.
During the annual camp, students are introduced to the real world of nursing, engaging in hands-on learning with state-of-the-art equipment, including exploring the latest interactive learning methods with human-patient simulations. This is a highly unique and fun camp for students to experience active learning environments and life on a college campus. Columbia College's goal is to increase the interest in high school students entering the nursing field and help reduce the shortage of skilled nurses here in our community. The college has a strong community partnership with the Boone Foundation, which offers several scholarships each year.
We're excited to partner with Columbia College for the summer nursing camp. Not only does it give the high school students an opportunity to get behind the scenes at the hospital and experience areas such as the operating room or the cath lab or our inpatient units, it also gives the experienced nurses at Boone Health the opportunity to volunteer in the simulation lab at Columbia College. As a magnet-recognized hospital, Boone Hospital Center is always looking for innovative ways to bring more nurses to the bedside.
Our camp goal is met yearly, and we proudly see camp graduates move on to nursing school.